Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A new hands-on and unboxed video of the alleged Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has surfaced online. The smartphone is shown with a new camera module. Real smartphone or fake? A very reliable tech insider posted a video of the alleged Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A short video has surfaced online, purportedly featuring the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The official launch of the lineup is just around the corner. According to recent rumors, the presentation could take place on February 25th. Given this, it's no surprise that the first videos and photos are starting to appear online. The video was posted by a well-known tech leaker, Ice Universe, on X. The footage first shows a box similar to the Galaxy S26 Ultra retail packaging, and then shows the smartphone from the back. The video doesn't offer any surprises. The device's appearance is almost identical to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and generally looks as expected from previous leaks. For those expecting a bold redesign, this may come as a disappointment. However, there are still some differences. The main one is related to the cameras. The three main lenses are housed in a raised unit, rather than protruding individually as before. It's also noticeable that the device is shown in a dark color, closer to black or graphite, and 4 cameras are visible on the back panel. The image on the box also shows the S Pen, which, judging by the looks of it, will be included in the box. However, the video should be treated with caution. Although leaker Ice Universe is considered a reliable source, he himself admits that he doesn't know where the video came from. Moreover, comments including those from insider Max Jambo suggest it's fake. However, even if the footage is fake, the details shown may be close to the real thing, as they match previous leaks. Everything will become clear soon. Recent reports claim that the flagship smartphone market could change significantly in 2026. Rumor has it that Samsung is considering keeping the starting prices for the Galaxy S26 series at the same level as several previous generations. If confirmed, this would mark the 4th consecutive year of price retention, starting with the Galaxy S23 series. The presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected in February. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.